And more on that Medicaid note now. Some low-income families who currently do not have health insurance, they would qualify under the expanded version. Brian Johnson continues our coverage.
Doug Fish is looking for work. Currently, he's repairing some lawn furniture for his friend Bob. Like many people in Michigan, he's been following the health care debate and trying to understand all its implications.
I mean, we got to figure something out because there's just too many people that can't afford it. You know, with the way the economy is.
The High Court's decision means that should Michigan go along with the expansion of Medicaid, when the law takes effect, a household of 4 earning $30,600 or less will qualify. Unlike today, which only covers children and pregnant women, all moms and dads will be covered. Opponents to the Health Care Act, including Michigan's Attorney General, feels the expansion would be crippling.
It imposes huge costs on businesses across this country, which will choke and strangle the economy, and I think put us further behind in terms of jobs and paychecks for people.
The Supreme Court decision means 1.3 million people will qualify for health insurance, or about 13% of the state population.
For me, it's kind of like if somebody's unemployed and they don't have access to health care and you can help them if they have a medical issue, why wouldn't we do that?
Like many in Michigan, Strample recognizes health insurance is important.
As you get into this and you realize there are going to be some things in the health care reform legislation that are very beneficial to every family. There are going to be some things that need to be fixed. And now, instead of arguing back and forth, we need the honest-to-God discussion of what's the warts in this thing and how do we change those warts to help.
For Fish, until all the details get ironed out, it's back to helping his friend. In Lansing, Brian Johnson, Fox 47 News.
Now, the Medicaid expansion, it does not take effect until 2014. The state legislature and Governor Snyder, they're going to have to decide if Michigan will participate in the expansion. If not, the state won't lose any current funding, but also wouldn't be eligible for more money from the federal government. A little later in the show, we'll tell you what's next with the law being upheld.